Hey guys, what's going on? My name is Darrell Addison. I'm the founder and inventor of a growing system called Torpedo Pot. See this small area right here? I don't get a lot of sunlight. Well, we'll grow about 80 pounds of celery. 80 pounds of celery. I went to my grower. I brought about 3 flats of 40 plants. It cost me about, I don't know, 45 bucks. And I'll grow about 80 pounds of celery. I never water, I never feed. All I do is throw my plants in and they grow by themselves. It's called Torpedo Pot. I invented it for all of those who are gardeners, who are going to till your ground over, put in underground water systems, are going to fertilize and do all that stuff. We don't need any of that. All we do is take our plants, we put them in this planter with soil, turn it on, plug the little hose in the back, turn a little knob in the front, and it runs for the rest of the year. I never water and I never feed my plants. And I will get food every year. So every year, in this small space, where there's not a lot of sunlight, we're going to grow hundreds of pounds of food all over the place. I'm saying this because I want to encourage you. A lot of you are frantically going through the season thinking that you're going to grow your food. But I'm going to tell you something. Most of you are going to fail. You're not going to have the results that I have right here. You're going to pump hundreds of dollars into your gardens, and you're only going to grow a handful of tomatoes. Really what it is an art project. An art project of failure. And I want to get you out of that to show you your lack of understanding of biology, chemistry, agronomy, all the different sciences that relates to the plant have been put into these planters right here. And they're guaranteed to grow your food. You simply put your plants in, put your seeds in, I supplement once a week, and that's it. I do nothing else. And I'm guaranteed to have food for the rest of my life. These planters now have been running now for about 8 years. I expect my torpedo pots to last me 30 years. Let me get this right. I make one investment into the torpedo pot. Every 4 or 3 seasons throughout the year, I'm guaranteed food. It just grows. This is celery. I'll probably get about 3 cuttings off of these plants right here for a total of 80 to 100 pounds of celery that we'll get from this small area. And I do absolutely nothing. I'm guaranteed to have food. I don't know about you. DarrellAddison@torpedopot.com. You need to make the move. You need to understand that all of the work that you're doing in your garden will never have results like this. If you don't have results like this, or you don't go to a program on TV and you don't see results like this, then dude, you're deceiving yourself. Somehow in your mind, someone told you that if you do eggshells and banana peels and all these things that people are getting off TV, they don't understand the chemistry. They don't understand the biology. They don't understand the soil science. They don't understand any of that stuff. The plastics that you're using to grow your food in, the nets and everything else, they got petroleum based. They're killing your plants. The water that you're using, the rainwater, have no nutrition in it. As a matter of fact, all of the chemicals that are coming off the rooftops and everything else are going into your plants. Your environment is killing your plant. That's why I have a torpedo pot. It isolates the environment and causes your plants to grow like you've never seen before. And that's why I will get 80 pounds to 100 pounds of celery in a small walkway like this with no problem at all. You need to get a torpedo pot. Talk to you guys later. All right, bye-bye.